In SMT production workshop, material counting has long been a headache for many companies. Manual counting is quite slow and time-consuming, leading to inaccurate inventory data, which severely affects production efficiency and management decisions. Traditional counting are time-consuming and often result in quantity discrepancies. So how do we break through these challenges? Seamark's X-ray inline automatic component counter, XC2000, brings a revolutionary solution. The system equipped with AI-powered intelligent counting algorithms. It takes only 12 to 15 seconds for per reel. The accuracy is up to 99.99%. Whether it's ultra-small 01005 components or various types of SMDs, it ensures precise counting result. XC2000 supports multiple loading modes. It can seamlessly integrate with AGV trolleys for fully automated loading or be operated manually. The device can automatically complete the full workflow, including barcode reading and label printing. It is automation ready, with over 120,000 material entries and continuous cloud updates, ensuring component quick recognition. Say goodbye to the inefficiency and inaccuracy of traditional counting. Embrace the new era of intelligent component management. Seamark X-ray inline automatic component counter, XC2000, empowers your business with accurate inventory control and enhanced production efficiency. Contact us today to get your customized solution.